Hello, hello everyone. I'm Noah from Easy Note channel. Welcome back. Um, long time no see, right? I'm sorry for that. Hi, đừng kiếm tăng mà kể thằng nào hiện ngay Easy Note channel pa nên không mà kể kim một đạo sau đấy mà ta lùng sorry mà active follow cái trang mà làm trang cái active xem nào ông ngàn xem này cái hiện không ai biết là cái video không ai sắcมีแต่งแคมเปญมาลงดำของกองดำยังลงดำว่าตัวนี้ที่วิดีโอว่าอีสันติงไอ้ยาและเอโอเตอีสันติงที่เอโอเป็นทุกปีมาอินโซไลเกมมันกันเนี่ยโซไลก็เช่นจังเอโอเป็นสินมาใส่นะจังเอโอเป็นออลมาจังไปมาเห็นนะจังตัวเอโอแบ็กเชนโลดิ้งนะเอ็นกำมอแต่จงมาจังลายกว่าแต่จงอีสันติงที่ In this video, we're gonna learn the S sounds. Not only the S sounds, we also gonna learn the phrases, the sentences. If you're ready, let's get started.
At first, we learn all the alphabets, but we don't use all the alphabets. These are the only alphabets that we use. So let's move. So we're gonna practice A sound. And firstly, we pronounce A as ah. It's like the long vowel ah. And after every alphabet, you just put A, and they will be sounds like ba, ja, da, fa, ga, ha, ga, la, ma, na, ba, sa, da, va, za. Okay, let's practice again. B-A, ba, C-A, ja. I pronounce these words as ja. Actually, we don't have these sounds, CA sound in Zomi language. The next, D-A, da, or D-A, da. F-A, fa, G-A, ga, or G-A, ga. H-A, ha, or H-A, ha. K-A, ga, or K-A, ga. L-A, la, or L-A, la. M-A, ma, or M-A, ma. Sorry, M-A, ma. N-A, na. N-A, na. B-A, ba. B-A, ba. S-A, sa. S-A, sa. D-A, da. D-A, da. V-A, va. V-A, va. Z-A, za. Z-A, za. Okay. Now, if practice these words again and again, and then we will move to the next slide. This is okay. I'm gonna read these words again. A, B-A, ba, C-A, ja, D-A, ja, D-A, da, F-A, fa, G-A, ga, G-A, ga, H-A, ha, H-A, ha, K-A, ga, K-A, ga, L-A, la, L-A, la, M-A, ma, M-A, ma, N-A, na, N-A, na, B-A, ba, B-A, ba, S-A, sa, S-A, sa, D-A, da, D-A, da, V-A, va, V-A, va, Z-A, za, Z-A, za. Okay, I hope you can do it. Practice again and again. So let's practice into phrase. K-A, ka, H-A, ha, ka, ha. Ka, ha means my tooth. Okay, ka, ha. And the next, K-A, ka, L-A, la, ka, la. K-A, ka, L-A, la, ka, la. K-A, ka, M-A, ma, ka, ma, my fortune. K-A, ka, N-A, na, ka, na, my stuff, my possession. K-A, ka, P-A, pa, ka, pa, my dad. K-A, ka, S-A, sa, ka, sa, my meat or my skin. Actually, we don't say our skin as kasa. We normally say kachi kasa, we add kachi, ci, okay? Kata, ke ka tieta, kata, my son. Ke ka vieva, kava, or kavasa. Kava is like poetic. Kavasa is more normal. We say vasa for birds, okay? Kavasa, kavasa, or kava. Ke ka zeza, kaza. My secrets. If you say kaza, people will know you mean cigarettes. But if you want to say medicine, you must say in the medicine there are liquid and pill, right? So you might say kazatui for syrup, liquid medicine, kazatang for pill, okay? Kazatang, kazatui, kaza, okay? Let's practice again from the first one, kaha, okay? My kaha, my tooth. Kala, my song. Kama, my fortune. Kana, my stuff, my possession. Kapa, my debt. Kasa, my meat. Kata, my son. Kavasa or kava, my bird. Kaza, my secrets, my medicine. So the next slide. Read these sentences. Can you read? Do you want to try number one? Read it. Okay. I will read now. Listen carefully how I pronounce each word. Kaha anahi. Ke ka h a ha kaha e a kaha a ene na kaha ana h I hi kaha anahi. You might think that my tooth a possession. No. Here ene na acts as a verb. So it means hurt. You hurt. You're feeling hurt. So kaha anahi means I have a toothache. The next number 2. Katapain la asahi. Katapain la asahi. Again, in this sentence, there is a verb that is sa. Sa, okay? Not sa. If we say sa, it means meat. But if we say sa, it means singing. So here, tapa means son. Katapa, my son. La asahi, sings a song or singing a song. My son is singing a song. Katapa in la asahi. Here, la acts as a noun, so it means a song. But if it acts as a verb, it will be take or bring. Okay? Dwavalapak means can you take that? Can you bring that to me? Okay. And number 3. Kapain zatang anehi. Kapain zatang anehi. Zatang, you know that one, right? Pill. Kapa, my dad. Anehi. Here doesn't mean eat. It means take a medicine. So my daddy takes a medicine. Okay. Number 4. Hazavala in. Haza. Ha is tooth. Za is medicine. Haza means my toothpaste. Oh, sorry, there's no ke eka, so it will be toothpaste. Hazavala in means can you take toothpaste or can you bring toothpaste? Okay. I think this will be more like bring toothpaste. Bring that to me, okay? Not take. If it is take, it will be like toy, okay? Haza nong king dia, haza nong toy te dia will be more sounds like take. Okay, let's read from 1. Kaha anahi. Please repeat. Kaha anahi. Katapa in la asahi. kapain zatang anehi hazavalain. Okay, so the previous are the formal writing, they are the writing style. Now we're gonna practice like the speaking. You have to speak naturally when you speak, right? So let's practice. Number 1, kahana veo, okay, like kahana veo, you say when you say kahana veo, it means, oh, I have a toothache. Number 2, kahana di veo, di, you add di in the middle of na and ve. So di indicates that you don't expect to be hurt. So you said di. Kahana di veo, oh, I have a toothache suddenly or unexpectedly. Okay. Number 3, hazavalapago means, please bring toothpaste to me, just quickly. Okay. Pago means quickly. Yeah, it quickly. It means quickly. Number 4, haza honglak sakpago. Please, can you bring the toothpaste to me? Okay. Number 5, kachi kasa kam lua lumphat ning. Kachi kasa kam lua lumphat ning. It means my body is in pain. I feel so exhausted. I gotta hit the sack. I'll go to sleep. I'll go to bed. Okay. Let's practice again from number 1. Kahana veo. Kahana veo. Number 2, kahana di veo. Kahana di veo. Kahana di veo. Number 3, hazavalapago. Hazavalapago. Number 4, haza honglak sakpago. Haza honglak sakpago. Number 5, kachi kasa kam lua lumphat ning. Number 5, kachi kasa kam lua lumphat ning. Kachi kasa kam lua lumphat ning.
Tun sinna manta hi manin telling chin ong uming telo na khat khong oma le dot kik thaya video zong et kik thai hi chi hong ganoming. If you have any questions or if you have something to say, feel free to comment, and your comment really matters to me, and your comments are really inspiring, so don't forget to comment, and I love seeing your comment. See you in the next video. Bye.